Haxnick's award-winning range of bamboo pots, saucers and seed trays are made from sustainable bamboo fibre, rice starch and natural resin. They come in sage green and terracotta colours. They are suitable for both outdoor and indoor use and last 5 years or more. They are solid and robust and have a look and feel of quality. The soft colours and the finish on the pots look just as good with houseplants or herbs on the kitchen windowsill as they do in a greenhouse. Plastics are an increasing problem for wildlife and the environment. It's estimated that 500 million plastic pots are sold every year in the UK. Many are single-use and the majority are sent to landfill and can take around 500 years to decompose. The material we use is free from petroleum-based plastics and BPA and uses offcuts and waste bamboo from other trades. Bamboos are some of the fastest growing plants in the world, which makes the core material truly sustainable. The Haxnick's bamboo range is biodegradable, so you can dispose of it on your home compost heap. To speed up the composting process, break up the pots into small pieces with a hammer. Or you may know a young gardener who would enjoy stamping on them for you. Soak the pieces in water for a day or two, and then add them to your compost heap, mixing them in well. Turn the compost regularly to keep it active. Composting may take 6 to 12 months. The bamboo range is a step on the road to turning back the tide of plastic in the garden, and a great choice for the gardener who wants to make a difference and be kinder to the environment. Another great design from Haxnick's.